Hi everyone, and welcome to this guide all about an amazing plant for sustainable gardening, comfrey. It's a must-have ally for gardeners, providing natural nutrients for your plants and improving your soil. Today, we'll explore why comfrey is so beneficial, how its deep roots make a difference, how to make an easy and effective liquid fertilizer, and the best ways to use it, including foliar application with precise dosages to maximize your plant's growth. Before we get started, if you like this video and want more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell. Also, let us know in the comments what guide you'd like to see in the next video. Thank you.
Comfrey is an incredible perennial plant. Its standout feature? Its deep taproot, which can extend up to 6 feet, or 2 meters, into the soil. These roots act as natural pumps, drawing essential nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen from deep below the surface. These nutrients are stored in its large, nutrient-rich leaves, making comfrey a powerhouse for improving soil fertility. Not only does this benefit your soil, but it also makes comfrey a renewable resource to nourish your crops. Pro tip: plant comfrey along the edges of your garden or near fruit trees to take advantage of its benefits without letting it spread into your main planting areas.
To make the most of comfrey, harvest its leaves several times a year, either before or after it flowers. These are perfect for mulch or making liquid fertilizer. Its roots, rich in allantoin, can also be used to regenerate poor soils or even in some natural remedies. Be cautious when harvesting roots, as the plant will need time to recover.
How to make comfrey liquid fertilizer. Here's an easy recipe to create a powerful, all-natural fertilizer from comfrey leaves. What you'll need: 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of fresh comfrey leaves, 2.5 gallons or 10 liters of water, rainwater if possible, a large plastic container. Avoid metal. A stick to stir the mixture, a strainer or cloth for filtering. Steps: chop the leaves into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Place them in the container and cover with water. Stir the mixture every 2 to 3 days to promote fermentation. Let it ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. You'll know it's ready when there are no more bubbles. Strain the mixture to collect the concentrated liquid. Dosage for soil application. Dilute 1 part of comfrey liquid fertilizer with 10 parts water. Apply monthly to nourish your plants.
Comfrey liquid fertilizer isn't just for watering the soil, it's also great for foliar application, where nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaves. This method delivers a quick boost to your plants. Why use foliar application? Nutrients like potassium and nitrogen are absorbed quickly by the leaves. It's perfect for plants under stress or for stimulating growth before flowering. Dilute the fertilizer more heavily. 1 part of comfrey liquid fertilizer with 20 parts water. Spray in the morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn from the sun. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks for the best results.
With comfrey, you have 2 complementary ways to support your plants: soil watering to enrich the ground and strengthen root systems, foliar application for a fast-acting boost to growth and flowering. Comfrey liquid fertilizer is perfect for fruit-bearing vegetables, like tomatoes, zucchinis, and eggplants, flowering plants, for bigger and healthier blooms, stressed or weak plants that need extra care. Don't toss those fresh leaves. They make excellent mulch. Slowly release nutrients into the soil as they decompose. Keep the soil moist and suppress weeds around your plants.
And there you have it. Comfrey is an incredible plant for gardeners looking to grow healthy plants naturally. With its deep roots, nutrient-rich leaves, and versatile uses, from liquid fertilizer to foliar sprays and mulch, it's a must-have for sustainable gardening. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share your gardening experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. See you next time.